What up, guys? We're back with an update. Radiator, intercooler, part 2. So, intercooler has been installed. I realized once I was putting back that I didn't do a video, so I'll try and show us much as possible. But like I said, you cut the half of the radiator or the crash bar. It's gonna be hard. Totally forgot. I mean, I guess I can take it out, but there you see it. Same side, inlet, outlet. If I ever do this again, the intercooler, I'll change this one to be straight, just like that one. We'll make it a little bit easier than that. I have to get a 45 coupler so I can go straight that way. So you can see it from here. Yeah, right there, see? You cut the lower part of the support. We're changing bumpers. The customer wants, I guess, a better shape than this one, according to him. Now we're working outside because my garage is full of other projects. So this one's gonna take a little longer since I'm waiting for the radiator. But part 2, intercooler done. Let me put the bumper real quick and I'll show you guys. Alright guys, bumper is on. It might be just a little to the driver's side. If you look at it that way. Just a hair. But from here, looks alright. I gotta fix this side right here. Looks like what holds to the headlight, it's broken, so I gotta hit up the customer and see if he wants me to replace that. If not, I'll figure it out. But here's underneath. See if you can see it right there. The cooler, it's not touching. Just the angle looks like it, but just a hair. But if it's flush, alright, that's part 2. Intercooler installed. We're gonna work the piping next, and then hopefully once we're done with that, radiator shows up and we can finish this thing up. Again, thank you for all the support. Make sure you comment, share, like, and subscribe.